Today I'm going to tell you how to tailor your resume to specific job postings. Hey guys, my name is Alina, I'm career coach and I'm here to help you with your resume, interview preparation, LinkedIn optimization, networking strategies. One of the main reasons, I guess the only one reason why you are not invited to interviews after sending resume is that employer doesn't see how you could help them. It means that your resume isn't tailored to a specific job posting. Many job seekers make one big mistake. They send one resume to all the job posting they are considering. For example, I've sent 200 of resumes during the last month, but when I ask details, it appears that it was the only resume being sent to these 200 job postings. So quantity doesn't mean the result. Recruiters are looking for a perfect match, and if you don't tailor your resume, there isn't any perfect match. So today I will show you how to do this. Subscribe if you want more career tips and life hacks, and check my website for career services I provide. Let's go. Even if you write down all your achievements you have on your previous jobs, it doesn't mean that this resume is tailored to this, for example, specific job posting. I mean that you, for example, you have a great achievements you are proud of working at your previous job, but in job posting you are considering right now, there are a little bit different requirements, a little bit different future responsibilities. So mentioning and highlighting specific achievements from your previous job that are not fully relevant to new job posting isn't a great idea. You have to pay attention which skills, which areas are the most important in new job posting, and then decide if you have something to tell about this, if you can provide achievements relevant to new job posting. Sometimes I see that clients become upset because they are really proud of their own achievements, but in case they are not relevant to new job position, it doesn't help. Our main task is pay attention to new job posting. Pay attention to what is the most important for employer. Let's divide it into several sections. For example, the first one is key skills. I hope you have heard about the importance of key skills in your resume. First of all, it will help you to pass the ATS applicant tracking system. So pay attention to key skills. By the way, you can use AI to highlight and to show the specific key skills needed in specific job posting. Then you should consider putting these key skills into your resume. Once again, it's not necessary to write down everything you have, everything you know in your resume. It's important to write down everything you have, but what is relevant to new job posting. So the first one is key skills. How you could find out these key skills? First of all, just imagine that you are using a highlighter and you have printed job posting. Underline the skills you think are the most important. Let it be 5 to 10 skills, and they may be similar for different job postings in one sphere, but pay attention to every job posting, but they are different in different spheres. So first of all, you can find these skills on your own. The second one is you can find them with the help of AI, and the third option is you can find these key skills with the help of LinkedIn. In most cases, recruiter adds skills necessary for this or that specific job posting. Even if you are not considering job postings on LinkedIn, try to go there and find similar job postings just to see which key skills are mostly necessary for, mostly specific for this sphere. Doing this on LinkedIn may help you. The first one, add new skills to your resume, and the second is add these skills to your LinkedIn profile, which is also very important for your job search. My next tip is customize your summary and customize your headline. There is no need to put objective on your resume. Create a short summary, let's say 3 to 5 sentences, which is full of your experience information, which is full of your key skills relevant to new job posting. Don't forget to add 1 or 2 your main achievements. As I already mentioned, not your best achievement ever, but not relevant to the job posting, but 1 or 2 achievements which will help you to stand out among other candidates for this specific job posting. The next one is tailor your work experience. For example, if the description asks for Google Analytics, try to create a bullet point. Of course, if you have this experience, of course, if you worked with Google Analytics, write down a bullet point that shows your experience with Google Analytics. What you did, maybe what was the result, how did you do this, and provide some examples or details. Once again, not just mentioning key skills, but writing them down in your bullet points. Show how you worked with them, show how you used them, show the result. For example, instead of writing a generic achievement, increased website traffic, add some details, such as boosted website traffic by, let it be 30%. Using this or that, using specific strategy, or doing something else, provide some details. Mention the result, for example, aligning with company needs. Add time frame if needed. As many details as possible. Actually, it's something similar to your STAR answer to your behavioral question during the interview. Mentioning and writing down these bullet points are something similar. How can you do this? Carefully read your future, your possible responsibilities on this or that job posting. Try to understand if you have this experience. Try to understand if you can do, if you can cope with these responsibilities. If your answer is yes, and I'm sure that it is yes, so check in your resume if this new employer will find all these responsibilities, will find and will understand if you could do this. So how can you do this? You may answer you may read the new responsibility, then ask yourself, I can do this? Yes, of course I can do this. How I can express this in my resume? Then create your own achievements, create your own responsibilities and bullet points on your previous jobs. Try to write what you have done, what you used, what was the reason, how did you do this, what was the result. This would be the perfect match. And one more important thing, which is the result of what I've just said. Cut irrelevant information. If it's not relevant, if it's not something employer is looking for, cut it. Keep your resume 1 or maximum 2 pages. Focus only on what matters for new employer. For example, if you have different experience, if you have different jobs, there is no need to mention all of them. Of course, if, for example, you delete one job, but this may cause a gap in your resume, in this case, it's better to leave it. But in case, for example, you did 2 simultaneous jobs or volunteering something else part-time or freelance and self-employed consulting, and one of these simultaneous jobs is more relevant to new job posting and one is less relevant, so cut it. There is no need to put everything on your resume. Even if it's your biggest achievement, even if you are proud of it, but it's not relevant, so there is no need of it in your resume. Let's review everything we just talked about and do a quick checklist before applying for a job. First one, check if your resume has keywords from job posting. Check if your experience matches job requirements, matches future job responsibilities. Cut unnecessary information. And check if your resume is ATS friendly. If you want me to review your resume, check my resume review link below and book a call right now. And if you found this helpful, like and comment below. I will be very happy to read all your comments, to read all your thoughts. See you next time!